Hi, good evening everyone. So for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano tanggalin yung black screen ng PixArt. So as you can see, nag-edit ako kahapon and then all of a sudden nag-block yung screen nung kinlik ko yung clip art. So this is how I solved it. So the first thing that you will do is long press mo yung PixArt app and then punta ka dun sa info. Long press and then yung letter I, info, and then storage usage, and then clear data. Okay, so clear mo lahat. Kapag na-clear na 00 na, punta ka ulit sa PixArt mo. Open it. And then mag-try kang mag-edit ulit. Okay, so na-refresh na yung account mo. Allow. Back to 0 ka ngayon. So, see all. Let's see if it will work. Okay, so as you can see, this one, I'll try to edit again. Yung picture ni Ding Dong. Tapos lalagyan natin ng clip art. Okay. So, stickers. Ayan. So, lumabas na yung mga stickers niya. The last time na nag-edit ako, hindi gumagana, hindi lumalabas yung mga formal attires dun sa screen, as in totally black siya. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've learned something from this video. Thank you so much and have a great day. Goodbye.